Balik ko.
Sana'y na magising ko na nakarap
Well, Ma, I'm luckier than the luckiest lottery winner.
to have you as my mother. I wish I could tell you how much you mean to me, but words are not enough to describe how much I adore you, how much I appreciate you, how much I thank you for everything you've done throughout the years. We may have arguments and fights sometimes, but there is one thing that you should know. I will always and forever love you. Ma, today you are celebrating your birthday. May God protect you always and give you good health and long life. Mama, sa munting surprise ako, sana pasaya kita. Mayo man ako mo niyan sa birthday mo, Pasko, bagong taon. Baka next year kumpleto na ulit kita. Masalamatan ko umaray sa ito. Ni Papa sa gabuto sa sakripisyo nito para sa mong akin. Dawa na, kadako kaming pasaway sa ito ni Papa. Basta pag may problema ka, kuyaon lang ako din para magtabang hanggat kaya ko. Susuportahan ko po kami. Ano pa kayan ma? Patulo na apo nindo, tama na yan. Dahil na mag-asa sa ko. Sa aram naman nindo na babae man ang gusto ko. Sana permi ka umaugma dyan. Bawal ang stress sa daig ka nagtataba ma. Ingatan ang sa diri ka nagugurang na po. Again, happy birthday Mama Josie. I love you. Hali sa magayon mo akin na mas magayon man ang gusto. Salve. Sige po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Happy birthday! Ano man pang masasabi mo naman sa nagpadara po sa imo?
Maraming thank you. Salamat. Lagi ka na sa mabuting kalagayan. Marayang sa imo. Pangangatawan. Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you.